Get over here, footprints! Get over here now! Let's go, move faster! Scream my sir! Scream my sir, get on the footprints now! Move! Get on the footprints! What? Get out! 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 Move back! Get on the footprints now! Let's go! Let's go! Get over there! Cross the foot! Let's go! Get 4 side by side up here now! Get 1 more up here now! Scream my sir! Get up here and in! Fill it in! 4 side by side! Scream my sir! All of you scream my sir!
Have you taken the first step into becoming a member of the world's finest fighting force, the United States Marine Corps? You should be standing at the position of attention.
That way! That way! That way!
To the center!
The center! Yes, sir!
To the center!
You can actually call somebody.
Hang it up! Hang it in! Scream the script! Scream my sir! Let's go! Scream it! Scream my sir! Let's go! Scream the script! Scream the script! Get up straight and look at me! My name is Staff Sergeant Brillo and I am your senior drill instructor. Starting now! You will treat me and all other Marines with the highest of respect, for we have earned our place as Marines and will accept nothing less than that from you. Marine never steals. You must work hard to strengthen your body, your spirit, and your mind. Be proud of yourself and the uniform you now wear. But above all else, never quit or give up, for we offer you the challenge of recruit training and the opportunity to earn the title United States Marine.
Today is we're going to go over and we're going to show you a quick demo of some of the techniques you'll see within the McMap syllabus. Top knife.
Lo que quiere es que se coloquen en 2 líneas si lo desean hacer para que lo puedan hacer.
There you go. Don't kick. Go. Keep going. Slow down. There you go. Here we go. Let me go. Grab him. No, they're all there. You need 1 more? You need 1 or 2? 2. So left and right.
Once you regain consciousness, the of that rope is going to be white. Lean back, shoot the right arm up. Try to shoot.
See, that's why I don't.
Now with your right hand, you're going to that's the worst one.
Was there there? You got right there.
Just lean back, shoot the right arm out and go. Good job.
You're putting this buttstock into your shoulder. Your hand comes up here on the forward grip. This hand stays here. When you get ready to shoot, this is your trigger. Zero.
There you go. Trying to get your purse. Get him.
There you go. Nice.
Center of gravity, the enemy uses its sporadic attack.
Now, my concern is when we go to let this down, that thing's gonna
Alright, now we gotta hold that.
The way.
Very good, very good, very good.
Bien.
Hey!
Your goals.